Vinny Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Vinny. What are we making today? This looks exciting.
We're doing a fried fish sandwich. So we're gonna throw some butter in here. We've got some beautiful brioche buns. We're gonna get them in here. We're gonna toast them. I put a lot of tartar sauce on. Yeah, I do. I'm that guy. Yep.
I'm that girl.
Yeah, does it get in your mustache?
Before I get waxed.
We'll get a little bit more butter in there. We'll get the bottoms toasted a little bit. So we've got this seasoned batter mix. So that goes in. This is rice flour. Crack a cold one for me, please.
I know how to do this.
Slowly pour in the beer, please, and thank you. That's the consistency you're looking for right there. We should season this, right?
Yes.
This is fresh cod. You could also use pollock or flounder or any kind of white fish you like. I love black pepper. Now we're gonna take our batter mix. We're gonna just flour both sides of these, coat all sides of the fish. We're gonna go in the batter. You're gonna drip the excess batter off. We're waiting in the oil, waiting. Gently, gently in. I mean, get out of here.
That's like a professional did it.
Just a little sprinkle of salt. Let's make our sandwich.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
We've got Uncle Giuseppe's homemade tartar sauce. Now we're gonna take our fish. We're not even melting the cheese. We're just putting the cheese right on top. That is a fish sandwich right there.
And you should definitely try this at home. So head to news12.com and you will find the recipe there. Thanks, Vin.